Okay, well, there they are. There's Sadie and Rufus, and they're just a neat little couple. I'll tell you what, they really are. As you can see, I've antiqued both of them, and I sprayed them with a couple of coats of Def wood finish, and there they are. And they're just a cute little old couple. I mean, they really are. They're just, they're a real favorite. I think most experienced carvers, everybody's carved a Rufus and a Sadie. And they're just wonderful to give to people. They really are. They're just so unique and how they look. And now, what you can do, you can go down to Hobby Lobby or one of these places, and I think this is, these little bases like this, I mean, you can get them 2 for $1. And stain the little base, and then just put them on there like that, and you've got your little hill couple. And I mean, these little gifts are just, like I said, they're so unique, and that's why we do things that you can give to others or just to yourself. But sitting on a mantelpiece somewhere, it's just you're carving something that very few people make anymore. In other words, they you know, when you go up in the Ozarks, and they still have a lot of what they talk about hillbilly or hill people, but I just love the hillbilly. It's just a kind of a part of our heritage and whatever, and I don't know if they actually existed, a whole lot of them, but I'm sure they did. I'm sure they still have hill people up there. I don't know if they look like that, but that's a wonderful rendition of them. But this is all done. And it's been a good little project to do, a lot of fun, and like I said, it's been, we've gone through the complete carving of both figures, and now the complete painting of both figures. And here's the finished product, and like I said, this will make a nice little gift for someone. And I've enjoyed this project. I've enjoyed doing it with you, and just remember to be safe and to be careful and enjoy your carving. Don't get in a big hurry like I do. Like I told you many times, I'm trying to work where I don't have so many parts to have to give you, or I can cut as much as possible, because I know it's you know, if you have something that has 20 parts, people are not going to watch. You know, they're going to get tired or bored with it. But so I try to go through this as quickly as possible, but as slowly also as possible, to show you the steps and how we do it. And one of the things, a lot of times, when you're watching the video, for those of you that have just gotten into YouTube or whatever, sometimes it's kind of hard to see exactly, and I'm trying to get the camera angle at the exact, but you know, on the right side of your YouTube, when you're playing it, you have a enlargement. You hit that to maximize it, and if you enlarge it, you can see it a whole lot better. Because what happens is, when I make the videos, they are larger, but when they go into YouTube, they miniaturize them, and so sometimes what I'm seeing in the finished video, you're seeing a little bit smaller version. So if you enlarge it, then you can see the version I'm looking at, in other words. And like I said, I've tried to get the camera as closely as I can without getting the figure out of the picture. Sometimes the lighting is just not right. I try to get my lighting down as much as possible. But this is our finished figure, and sometimes I make mistakes. I remember in the first episode of painting these, my lighting wasn't right, and I had a shadow on it, and I had to fix that with another light. So before I put them up there, I always try to go over and get the right lighting and everything like that. So anyway, there's our figures, and I hope you have a good time carving them. And I'm not sure yet what we're going to do next as a beginner project, but we'll have something that is nice. Soon it'll be time for Christmas. We'll be doing more Christmas projects then. And so just be safe. Have a good time carving, and thank you for being with me.